So we got a full crew here today. We got the Dent Geek over here. We got Redline, Auto Glass, and Performance, and Windows, and Window Tinting. Well, we got it all for Nick's truck. Nick's truck right now is going into the night. It's a little loud in here. They got the compressor going. They got some cars getting done. But if you guys remember, or if you saw my last video, I'll post it at the end. But Nick's truck, the porta potty that I have at my house, we had some high winds. Look at that, dude. Look, you're a professional. So the porta potty that's at the house, the wind picked it up and smashed it right here on Nick's truck. The truck's like, I don't know, a week old, 2 weeks old, and smashed it pretty, not smashed, but put a nice dent in it. And it was like we jinxed ourselves because this truck, literally, we were just talking about, it's got no dings, no dents, like it's in really good condition for being an 09. Usually you find these older trucks and they're beat up, you know? So we have now got the first dent, so I was like, dude, we have to take this thing out. And I use Dent Geek for everything. He's been doing my cars for, shit, how long you been doing my cars? 5, 6 years now? About, yeah, 5, 6 years. So he's been doing all my vehicles when they get dinged or dented or whatever happens.
Dark, huh?
Yeah, it's a little dark. And then tinning, yeah, he's telling Nick not to do it. And I told Nick to. Now, Nick is not using this every day, which, as you guys know, he can't even take it to his house. I use it pretty much more than him. So he's
not pretty much.
I use it more than him. So he strictly bought this thing for tone because he can't use the F-150. So he does need some tint because the film, he had no film. The thing was like a fishbowl. He had the factory 20% that's on here, but he's wrapping this with 5%, I believe. And I think he's doing 5%. I don't even know what, actually, I don't know. What are you doing on this thing exactly?
What am I doing?
For the tint, the film?
5% all the way around.
5% all the way around. So the back is, so the back's gonna be really dark.
Yeah.
Okay.
5 on top of that. Yeah. That's gonna be dark.
He said 5 on top of that. So
you're gonna have to roll down your windows just to look out, bro. That's fun.
Yeah, I told him, I said, listen, when you go to the desert, make sure you don't go at night, because you ain't gonna see nothing there. So, and then are you doing the windshield too?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's gonna do the windshield. Yeah, he's gonna do the windshield. But what are you gonna do? 50%? Probably 50, same. 50 yeah, same as what I have, guys. I got 50% on the windshield on mine.
It's gonna be dark as shit.
I like it. You know, it keeps my stuff cool, and you know, I use the film. But same thing that he's doing here is it helps a lot. You know, to break the UV rays.
Look at the difference in shade from one trip.
Yeah, look at the shade. Look at that. This arm is darker. Yeah, look at the difference. This arm is darker because the sun was hitting him from this way. Oh my god. Whew. Can hear myself think. Wow. There we go. Then you got this guy over here. Supposedly he's the, I don't know what his job description, manager / detailer. I don't really see you doing anything, man.
I just like to relax, sit back.
You relax, sit back, get paid just to relax, sit back.
Watch the dog here and there.
Watch the dog. Oh, okay, all right, okay. Playing hangman over there on the piece of paper. That's what he's paid for. I'm gonna have to talk to Genesis about this. Tic-tac-toe. Okay, good. I'm gonna have to talk to Genesis about this once he's done trying to figure out what's going on, his exact position over here. Just sitting here. What? You need the air valve. The one that goes psh.
The top one or the bottom one?
No, the psh, the psh, psh valve. So Nick, guys, got a new old compressor over here that we got to do some repairs to it. So we'll be back. They got the special lights going on over here I think to see swirls or something, or I forget. I don't know what they're for. One is for something else, and this other one, that color is supposed to like mimic the sun, I guess. I don't know. I don't know too much about this guy. I'll ask Nick once he's done playing with that stuff over there. But one is so he can see like how bad the pain is and how much they have to do. There you go, guys. Give him a call. The Dent Geek, call him up. They'll fix it and make it look way better. Some of the tasks and the jobs that these guys do, it's like and it's already gotten better. Look at this. Insane what he can do. So it looks better already.
Yeah.
Then we got our boy Steve. Oh, Steve's not there. I don't know where Steve went. I think he's in there. I think he's in there in a meeting with those guys. I don't know where. Well, I'd show you guys the logo that's going to be on my shirts, but I don't know where he went. So when he gets back, I will show you the Eddie's Life logo that you'll see on all the shirts. Yeah, we got merch coming. They're arguing who can rap better. Mr. Detailer says he can rap better than a guy that does this for a living. So I put my money on the guy that does it for a living.
Just come look at this side and tell me what we're doing.
Can you
Well,
Am I allowed to cuss while he's recording?
yeah.
Why aren't you tacking it?
He's not tagging it. I'm cutting it, you weirdo.
You just said
I'm cutting it.
Okay, look, if we peel the whole thing, what's gonna happen? It's
wasting all the vinyl.
Correct.
You cut it.
So I'm gonna cut it so that I can use it for the fenders and the bumper.
Did you not just say that?
Correct.
Nick is trying to teach him how to rap.
Let me say hi to all my fans.
This is awesome.
What's up, guys? Ken and Vest back here with Genesis Detailing and this wrap. What's going on here, sir?
I just hold stuff.
Just hold stuff?
So guys, this is like a one-stop shop. Who's calling me at this hour?
What's up, guys? Eddie's in the bathroom. I love taking his camera when he's gone. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. It really would mean a lot. Tin Invest, T-I-N, Invest on YouTube. Pretty much what I do is break down stocks, try to find the next big thing, put it on your radar, and allow you to do a little bit more deep research. But I try to give interesting facts and keep it interesting and entertaining for everyone. So please do me the biggest of favors and subscribe to my channel. Tin Invest, T-I-N, Invest. Eddie's in that bathroom right there, so I mean, he has no idea I'm doing this. Let's hope he puts it in the video.
Damn, check it out, guys. I think old Genesis went a little dark over here. It's black.
Like it.
It's black. Now, he's over here trying to polish his headlights with some sandpaper.
Well, you know when we dropped it in the first
We
video?
didn't drop it.
Yeah, you.
You who dropped your headlight.
Yeah, it's an indented.
Oh.
Yours is fixable, one's not.
Well, you know, I was just gonna say, well, you know what? Let's see how yours turns out, because the dent, look at that, guys. Like, it's nothing there. This guy does an amazing job. I don't even know where the dent was anymore, but this guy does an amazing job. I mean, it's incredible how just like how they do it. I mean, it's crazy. And he spent a lot. He was here for like what, 2 hours? Yeah. I mean, he was here for a while, poor guy. So he does good work. But we'll see. What
good old Genesis does now.
We'll see what Genesis boy's doing over here, just scratching it up even more. Well, how long is this gonna take? I'm trying to get out of here, dude.
I don't know, you're stuck here now.
So yeah, I'm trying to leave. My goodness. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's all now
Even to a 2000 grit.
Yeah, but you still kind of see this line. Do you think you should sand more of this line or no?
No, because that's where the sun hit the most. You don't want to burn the edge.
Well, we're gonna find out, guys. So
polish
this is supposedly a true headlight restoration. We're about to find out.
We just polished it. Like, we'll try it on the other one to show you guys the difference in like 6 months from now.
Not even. Give it like a month.
A month. Oh, okay. Nice. No power. Well, you guys did car wash, detail, ceramic coating, tinning, restoration, headlight. Go hit up Nick at Genesis Detail and he'll hook you guys up. All right, guys. Here's a before, which before it's like it wasn't that bad.
That side was not as bad as this side.
Yeah, this side was worse, but yeah, you can see the difference. You can still see.
It's just cracked.
What is this? Oh, is that just cracking?
Cracked, yeah.
Or is that your
Plastic.
sandpaper?
No, the plastic just
Plastic.
filled.
It's all right, guys. We've got to get some new headlights in this thing anyway. So,
But
I mean,
for you guys that don't want to replace, let's say if I got new headlights and they failed, it's
yeah,
really easy to bring it back.
if you don't want to replace the
Best way
headlight,
now to protect that is to clear bra it now. Ceramic coating will protect it for only a certain amount of time.
clear bra.
Clear bra, the headlights will last you as long as
Like
you
that guy Eddie's life, his rammer. He's got clear bra. Yeah. Well, there it is, boys. It's all done, tinted. I gotta say, it's pretty dark. I mean, I don't know. We'll see how Nick likes it. I know he does want to do the windshield, like the light shade, just to protect that dash. Because I did tell him those dash, you know, to find out it's not cracked. That's pretty impressive. But well, there you have it, guys. It's tinted. The dent. I'll show you the final right here. Look at that. So if you remember, it was, I think, somewhere here, right around here. Bam, smacked in there from, well, that damn thing over there with the strap on it now. But that's it, guys. It's all done. And well, stay tuned for some more third gen content. But that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.